Okay, so this is the site that I worked on for the project due tonight for the Acme website. So we can see here that I have the mobile, here let me make it fit the screen better. So we can see here that I have the mobile site right here. This is where my mobile starts. So this is the top where we have the rollovers with the white background. We have our logo, we have this on top of the image, and we have our recipes inside of our flex box to make it into a grid, and then we have our last updated at the bottom with our centered content and this reviews. And then when we get bigger, we have it go next to each other for mobile, or for web, for desktop, and then this scoots over and everything stays kind of in the same place, but it gets a little bit bigger. And then I also have the template file done, which is just the header and the footer, and then basically the body content. And then that also does some adjusting for mobile. And then for the validation, so this is the validation for my first HTML for the original website, not the template. And the only errors it has are PHP errors, so I think it should be fine. It just is for some reason not liking the fact that there's PHP in my HTML, so I don't think that's really an issue. And then we have our CSS, which validated with no errors, and then also the template, which had the same errors about the PHP. It just doesn't like the syntax of the PHP, I believe, so that should be fine as well. And yeah, so that is my website, and I think that's everything that we needed to show. The hardest part was definitely getting the mobile first approach to work right, and getting this guy on top of the image to scoop properly with the moving, which was very difficult, and to get everything to just basically to align and be formatted properly. That's it. Thanks.